Welcome, friends, come take a seat. Grab your words and feel the beat. Sing and laugh, it's all okay. Learning English starts today.
Hello, everyone. Pete here from English with Aho Pete, your channel for fun and easy English learning. Numbers are part of our everyday lives because we use them all the time. In today's lesson, we're going to look at everyday English, naming the numbers from 11 to 20. Easy, useful, and fun. So stay with me and let's have a go together. Let's get started. Here we go. Repeat after me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now it's time to practice what you learned today. You'll have 5 seconds to choose the best option. Are you set? Here we go. What number is it? That's amazing. What number is it? Well done. What number is it? Fantastic. What number is it? Well done. What number is it? Well done. What number is it? That's amazing. What number is it? Fantastic. What number is it? Well done. What number is it? Brilliant effort. What number is it? That's perfect. What number is it? Brilliant effort. Fantastic work today. Keep practicing these numbers every day, and soon you'll be able to count confidently from 1 to 20 in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks ever so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. See you next time. Cheers, guys.